In the vibrant land of India, there was a lively festival known as Holi, the Festival of Colors. It was a magical celebration where people came together to spread joy, love, and laughter. Let's join a young girl named Kara as she embarks on a colorful adventure during this enchanting festival. Kyra lived in a small village where Holi was eagerly awaited by everyone. The festival marked the arrival of spring with its blooming flowers and warm sunshine. Kyra loved the vibrant atmosphere and the sense of togetherness that filled the air. As the day of Holi approached, Kyra and her friends couldn't contain their excitement. They gathered in the village square, armed with bags of colorful powders and buckets of water. Laughter echoed through the streets as they playfully sprinkled each other with vibrant hues. But Kyra had a secret wish, to witness the grand Holi celebration in the nearby city. She had heard tales of the magnificent bonfire, the traditional music and dance, and the joyous revelry that took place there. Determined, Kyra set off on a colorful adventure. As Kyra arrived in the bustling city, she was mesmerized by the vibrant sights and sounds. The streets were adorned with colorful decorations, and the air was filled with the aroma of delicious sweets. She followed the joyful laughter and soon found herself in a grand courtyard where people of all ages had gathered. The music started, and everyone swayed to the lively beats. Kyra joined in, twirling and spinning with her newfound friends. They smeared each other's faces with vibrant colors, creating a kaleidoscope of laughter and joy. As the night sky twinkled with stars, Kyra found a quiet spot to rest. She looked up at the dark sky and saw fireworks bursting into a magnificent display of light and color. It was as if the stars themselves were joining in the celebration. With her heart full of happiness, Kyra realized that Holi was not just about colors. It was about spreading love and embracing the spirit of unity. It was a time when differences melted away and everyone celebrated together. As the festival came to an end, Kyra returned to her village, carrying the memories of her colorful adventure in her heart. She shared her stories with her family and friends, spreading the message of love and harmony that she had experienced. And so, Holi continued to be celebrated in India, reminding children and families to embrace the joy of colors and the beauty of unity. Kyra's story taught them that love and laughter know no boundaries, and that the festival of Holi is a time to celebrate the vibrant hues of life.